Hey everyone, this is Will from ClerkChat, and today I want to introduce you to RCS, the evolution of SMS that's changing how businesses connect with customers. RCS stands for Rich Communication Services, and it's essentially the next level of SMS. We're talking rich media-like images, interactive carousels like the one you see here, interactive buttons where you can dial, open links, open maps, open calendars, branded text, a verified sender, and of course, read receipts. The best part of this is all this functionality is now available directly inside ClerkChat, making it incredibly easy to implement into your existing communication strategy. What I want to show to you is how you can send RCS templates inside ClerkChat and what this looks like from the user's perspective on their phone. So if I head into ClerkChat here, you can see I have an RCS inbox. It's labeled RCS and it has an RCS logo here. And when I click on this, I can send myself any messages that I like. I can say, hi, how are you? And what you can see here, if I go to my iPhone, is that I have my ClerkChat branded RCS agent. And in here, you can see I just got this text, hi, how are you? And I can reply, I'm good, thanks. And this is I'm mirroring my iPhone here. So you can see, and that comes through here, I'm good, thanks. And we even get a typing indicator that I've been typing, which is pretty cool. But the real cool thing is when I start to send RCS templates. So I can select a template that I've already built. We can build these in the template section here. And we actually have a bunch of tutorials on how to build these, which I recommend you go check out. But to show you what this looks like, I can send this template. I can see in the ClerkChat UI what this looks like. And when I head back to my phone, you can see that I have this carousel of rich cards sent to me. And I can click on the buttons and check them out. So in this case, each button opens a link to the shoe where I can directly go and purchase. And the awesome thing about RCS is that I'm never actually leaving the app, right? I'm still inside the messaging interface. So if I don't like that one, I can just go across, head into here. And I'm still directly in the messaging interface, which makes this a truly rich, immersive experience. And so this is a quick demo of what RCS looks like. One, from the ClerkChat UI, how you can send messages, and two, from the customer UI, how they receive the messages and how they can interact with them. We're super excited to bring this to the market at ClerkChat, and so if this is interesting for you, I'd recommend one, checking out our other videos on our templates, how to build carousels, and two, getting in touch with us so we can set you up with your own RCS agent. Thanks a lot.